My dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 13 of grade 3, that is facilities for our use. In this video, we will identify the need of public facility and we will study about how to protect our public facilities. So let's get started. See here one small story is there about the children. On one sunny day, the children are going to visit various places in their locality. In their locality means near by them, they are going to visit some of the places. Okay, so all the children are very happy and all of them came to the school very early, and as soon as they came to the school, the bus arrived at the exact time. All the children went in a queue and sat in a bus. The bus started and it stopped at the library. So in the library, all the children get down and they read the books carefully. They moved around the library silently and they took some of the books and read them for some time. They kept it back in their places and came out of the library, and then they sat in a bus. See children, here in the picture you can see some of the boards on the library. This is the picture of library. Okay, so here you can see some of the boards. Can you see here? Silence please. Do not tear the book. Do not litter. See children, if you go any of the library nearby your places, these are the boards which you can commonly find on the libraries. Why we should maintain silence in the library? Because it is the place where we read the books. If we do the noise, it may get the disturbance to the others. So if we go to the library, we have to maintain silence. Then we should not tear any of the books in the library, because it is a public property. All the people will come over there and read the books and they will keep back. So we also have to read the books and keep back in the exact place from where you have taken out. Okay, and we should not tear the books. Okay, and library is very clean place and where books are kept, so you should not do any of the dirtiness over there. Okay, so after visiting the library, all the children went back to the bus. Okay, next here one question is there. Have you seen the library in your locality? What rules have you followed there? Right there children, have you been to the library near your nearby place to home or school? If you have been to the library, what are the rules you have followed over there? See, first thing is, as I have told, we should maintain silence in library, right? Next, second thing, we should not tear any books and we should keep the books in the same place from where we have taken. Okay, so we should make a habit of visiting the libraries and reading the books. It is a very good habit to go to library and read the books. Okay, now see, all the children seated in the bus and the bus stopped at the bus station. After seeing library, the children went to bus station. Okay, what is bus station children? Yes, bus station is the place where the buses will come and go. Okay, so children got down the bus, they went round the bus station and they observed some of the things. What all they have observed? See here in this picture you can see a boy is closing the tap and he is telling someone has not closed the tap, the water is running and I will close the tap. See in the picture you can see water is going out of the tap. Somebody who have used the tap does not have closed this tap and water is flowing. It is very bad thing children. If you see anywhere the water is going on from the tap, you have to immediately turn off the tap. That is a very good habit, and if you save the water, it is helpful for us only, right? Yes, so here the boy is closing down the tap. Here you can see one more boy. He is telling people put the waste outside the dustbin. It is our bus station. We should keep this bus station clean. So that boy is keeping all the waste inside the dustbin. Okay, now see here near the bus station you can see some of the people will sell fruits, vegetables, snacks, etc. Right? Here two children are speaking. Don't you know that we get diseases if we eat these open and cut fruits? Cover them with lead. See, the boy is telling to that seller that if we eat these fruits with the open air, open cut fruits, we may get diseases. So if you want to sell fruits, you can, but you have to cover the lid. So these are all the things which children observed in the bus station. Here one question is there: how did the children cooperate in cleaning the bus station? Here we have to write what all the things children have done to clean the bus station. So let us write: they closed the tap and saved the water. They put the waste inside the dustbin to keep the bus station clean and create the awareness of the disease spreading by eating the things which are open. Okay. Next, see, how is the bus station of your place, children? All of you having bus station in near your city, right? In your city, obviously everyone is having bus station. Right? How is the bus station of your place, children? However your bus station is, you have to write the city where I am living. There I have nice bus station with the drinking water facility and toilet facility, and also it is clean. So I will write here: the bus station of my place is clean and tidy with public drinking facility and public toilet. This is the bus station of my place, I am telling. If you have the situation where your bus station is different, you can write here. Okay. Now see, after seeing the bus station, the children boarded the bus and alighted near the hospital. After that, after seeing the bus station, the children went inside the bus and get down near the hospital. The children observed the different kinds of functions in the hospital. They got into the bus appreciating the cleanliness of the hospital. See, in the hospital, the children observed many things. See here, children, in this picture, what do you observe? Here you can see it is written, this is your hospital, keep it clean. Do not litter in the hospital premises. Do not litter means what, children? In the library also it is written, do not litter. What is the meaning of do not litter? It means you should not do susu. You are a small children, no. The small children of LKG, UKG, first standard, second standard will do susu, no, if urgent they want to go. Yes, that means if you want to go urgently to the toilet, you should go to the toilet or outside the hospital and library. You should not litter in hospital and library. Okay. So do not spit. Spit means what, children? Do not spit. Spit means, shall I say in Urdu or English what? English or Kannada? Spit in Kannada we will say uguludu. In Urdu we will say thukna. Okay, we should not spit. Okay, here you can see dustbin is there. You can use this dustbin. By seeing the environment of the hospital, the children are very happy because the hospital was very clean and all the things which they saw over there, they liked very much. So when they get inside the bus, all are appreciating the cleanliness of the hospital. Here one activity is there, children. Visit the hospital of your place. Is cleanliness maintained there? Observe, write your observation. You have to visit the hospital near your place. If cleanliness maintained there, if it is clean, you have to observe and write. Now children, you don't visit any of the hospital because due to corona, you should not go anywhere outside your home. Okay, and especially to the hospital, you all are small children, you don't go to hospital now and don't observe. You write the experience which you have observed before. Maybe everyone had been to the hospital, right, to show for fever or something, or to see your neighbors, elders, anybody, relations. Everyone have been to hospital. You write that experience, what you have observed there. You observe that hospital is a place where cleanliness is maintained. All the things, all the staff, everything was clean and they treat the sick and ill people. Okay. Next, after hospital, the bus stopped near the park. Now, bus stopped near the park. The children are very happy, right? If you also will want to go to the park, you all will be happy, no? Yes, like that the children are very happy because the bus has stopped near the park. Now see here, this is your park, keep it clean. Here also one board is there. This is your this is your park, keep it clean. In the park we should not throw anything garbage, children. We have to keep our park clean. Okay, see here children went down from the bus and they went inside the park and they are playing. Here one boy says, oh, this toilet is used by many people. They did not put sufficient water. It is stinking. See, in the park, if you have the toilet, that toilet will be used by many people. Many people will visit the park and they will use the toilet. So here one boy is telling many people have been to this toilet and they have not put the sufficient water. It is dirty and it is stinking. Stinking means the bad smell is coming from the toilet. See children, if you use any toilet outside your home, you have to put sufficient water so that the person which will use the toilet next to you should not say that it is stinking. Okay. See here, one girl is telling somebody threw a stone and broke the lamp. Don't they understand that we will be in trouble if there is no light? See, in the park, somebody have thrown a stone to the lamp, to the street lamp which will be having. So, and the girl is telling, don't they understand, the one who have broke this street light, don't they understand that we will be in trouble if light will be not there? If light will be not there, there will be darkness around, so we will be trouble. We cannot able to see what is there around us, so we will be trouble, a girl is saying. Now in the park the children played till the evening. They are tired. Now they sat in the bus and they returned to the school. Okay, now here you have to write how is the park that you have seen. Write in 2 lines. Children, you have been to park near your home, so how was that park which you have seen? You have to write here in 2 lines. Okay, if it is clean, you should write clean. If it is dirty, you should write dirty. Or if all the facilities are there, you can write here. If the swing, slide, the materials which you play, if they all are broken, you can write here also. The park which I have seen near my home, it is not proper. Many of the playing things like slides and sitting chairs are broken. You can write your experience. Okay, so next day the teacher, now all of them returned school. Next day the teacher asked the children the few questions about the outing. Now we also have participated in their outing, no? So let us answer the following questions. We also saw how the children went for outing from starting to the last. So let us answer these following questions. Write the names of places you visited. Which are the places we visited, children? We visited library, bus station, hospital and park. Which place do you like most? Why? Children, you have to say which place did you like most. Why? Maybe you like the park, or maybe you like the library, or maybe you like the hospital. Here I will write, I liked the hospital most because it was clean and tidy. Third question, library, hospital, bus station and park all are the places of public facilities. Who use them? Children, tell me who use library, hospital, bus station and park? We only, public, right? So library, hospital, bus station and park are used by the public. The facilities which we use are public facilities. Why do we need them? In the third question we came to know the facilities which we use are public facilities. Why do we use them, children? We use them for our need, right? Yes. Who protects the public places? Know about it. Who protect the public places? First thing, we have to protect the public places by ourselves. Wherever we will go, we should take care of that public place. And also the security guards which are present, they protect near the park, near the library, near the hospital, near the bus stand, near the railway station. Everywhere there will be security guards, right? They protect the public places. Okay, now write the names and the need of the public facility that you see in the picture in the space given below. Here on the left side of your screen, there are some of the public facilities. We have to write the names of which public facility is this. Then we have to write the need of that public facility. See here in the first picture, you can see the water tank. Why do we use water tank, children? We use water tank to get water. Okay, next, school. Why do we use school? We go to school to study. Next is library. We go to library to read the books. Next, hospital. We go to hospital for the treatment. Next is bus stand. Bus station. We go to bus station if we want to go to the other city. Next is post office. We go to post office to post the letter. Park. We go to park to play. Next, railway station. Same thing. We go to railway station if we want to go somewhere else to the other city. Next, street light. We use street light in night to get the light and to protect from darkness. Next, public toilet. We use public toilet to go for toilet. Next, go down. We go down to bring the things. Road. We drive on the road. Okay, so these are all the public facilities we use. Next is, observe these picture carefully. Write what would you do in such situation. Here some of the situations are given. What will you do? You have to say. See here in the first picture, you can see public toilet and it is stinking. It is not clean. So what will you do? If the public toilet is not clean, we will put sufficient water. Next, in the second picture, you can see street light is there and it is on during the daytime also. See, sun is there, it is daytime, and that time also street light is on. What will you do? We will put off street light. Next, third, you can see the water is flowing from the tap. What will you do? We will turn off the tap. Next, see here, if somebody will put the garbage outside your home, near your home, what will you do? We will tell them to not to put the garbage there. We will tell them to put the garbage in the dustbin. Next, library. See here, some of the boy is throwing the stones to the library. What will you do in that situation? We will say them to not to throw stones to the library. Okay, so these are all the things which we have observed and we have written what we will do in such situations. Next, see here, make a list of public facilities in your locality. Children, all of you having public facilities near your home or near your school, right? You have to make a list of public facilities which are there in our locality. Here, near my locality, whichever the public facilities are there, I will write the names of those. You can write the public facilities which are there near your locality. Okay, I will write here post office. Near my home, post office is there, so I will write here post office. And hospital is there. Medical store, I will write medical store. And also I have railway station near our home, so I will write railway station. And I have also library near our home, so I will write library. Whichever you have, you can write. School is a public facility. Why? Right here, children, why school is a public facility? School is a place where we get the education, so education is must for the public. So school is a public facility because everyone can get education from there. How do you and your friends keep your school clean? See, such a nice question. Tell me, how do you and your friends keep your school clean, children? Firstly, you should not scribble on the walls of your classroom. You have to keep your classroom clean, and you should not throw any of the waste or any of the garbage inside your school, you should have to throw it on the dustbin. You can also write what the other things will you do to keep your school clean. Okay, so this is all about the lesson number 13. As I have told you, if you want the lesson number 1 to lesson number 12, it is there in my channel. You can subscribe to my channel and you can refer from there, and also I have put in description a link in the description box. You can refer from there, and if you want to share anything with me, you can comment and tell me. I will surely look after your views. Thanks for watching.